study with us. We have to remove it. We're serious about this. Let's be professional vloggers, guys. So today, we're in the library. So there's no teacher. And then we have to like read 7 pages of Little Snow White. So like, whoa. Like we haven't even met the teacher. We don't even know the coverage of the subject. No, there's no introduction. We're gonna be reading. And you know what they call us? They call it the Freaky Trio. I'm not gonna explain why we're called the Freaky Trio. I'm not gonna explain. Let's just leave it to your imagination. However, we have this slug that we're not gonna say the name. We're not gonna say the name. We're not gonna be cancelled for now. Next video. Yeah, next video. Watch the downfall of my head. Anyway, we're in the library and the lighting is so good. Like, I literally could like, if meron ako tripod, I could like talk to you. And then like, naka-face dito. You can see where we're studying. So far, we haven't started reading. We have, wow! We're reading an upside-down document. I feel like, oh yeah, we're cooked. Yan yun? Yes, this is the start. So we're gonna start reading. I don't know. We didn't talk for 2 minutes here. I don't know if I have enough storage for this. Oh, not for this year. Okay, let's read. I'm gonna read for you. I'm gonna time lapse this. Sana kaya na storage ko. The amount of Thomas and pictures and videos I have. I just. Bruh. Setup, cause like, what is this setup? That's crazy. Dude, we finished it. We finished it. Now we're gonna ikot. Oh, we're gonna ikot pa. Let's go. Low-key, this is so nice. Dude, is there what? Hello? Hello, people. Dude, the amount of guitars. Oh, hello? What is bro doing? What is bro doing? Me too, man. It's like one of my dreams. Alam mo yung, oh, I want to like a hanging egg. Like it was one of my needs in a like room, like in my room. Like I said, like if I won't have a couch, I need like a hanging egg. Because it's like so fun. Dude, shut up. Dude. Dude, I swear, it's kind of scary. Like, it's okay. You know. Oh, we're spinning. We're spinning like that. You know, there's the memorabilia, but like it's closed off, so we can't really go to it. It's like, Sam, can you move? Can you go here? Sam, go here. There's like another egg that you can literally face each other, but like, it's like so awkward. But like, I low-key wanna go to the grade school part, which is like there, where yeah, there's students there. They're like touring the library. Cause we're old. We're literally seniors, bro. We've been here. I mean, like, yeah, I'm here nung like grade 10 ako. Pero like, never ko tinur yung library. But like, it's new, diba? We should at least have a tour. Yung bago naman yung library eh. Yeah. Dude, alam mo yung gusto kong puntahan? The 8 Lab. I really wanna try the VR. May VR yung school. Hindi naman pinapos. Ano, joke. I mean, really? Dito, actually, andun sinamahan ko na si Rain for stimulation. Pero like, dude, me I want to do Beat Saber. It's like one of my favorite games. So I guess one day we'll try and do you want to try booking it? Hala, pwede kaya natin i-book it. Pwede naman natin i-book it, diba? The AI lang. But like, when? I feel like pwede kaya natin gawin like on a Tuesday. Ay, no, not Tuesday. Like a Thursday. Kasi like, because like we're this Thursday. Yeah. Thursday or like a Friday. Diba? Ayun no, meron ka.
Grade 11 in Memorize. This was like 4 or 4:30.
Yun nga, walang tao. Yan na naman sa... Guys, si Chloe nandito na sa vlog.
Feeling ko yung boses ko.
Yun nga diba? Para ako nag-i-ASMR dito.
Narinig namin yung pag-tech ni JB.
Tapos kayo?
Kanina pa, nanonood ng community.
Saya. Saan ka pupunta? Tinatakasan mo na naman ako.
Hindi ko naman sa Roblox nila.
Pero paano ka mag-Roblox dito? Naka-block ba? Weh? Ano yan? But can I see this? What's that? Can I see that?
This is book. Whole book. You have to like,
Oh my
again.
Hey, gawain ko rin yung dati. Like, it's like cursive. Oo, yung cursive yung nakakainis.
They required it for us to like, to read.
Alam mo ba yung dati amin? Ano namin yun eh, punishment kapag may ginawa ka. You have to like write like 3 pages. I mean, oo, requirement nga, but like 3 pages ng ganun din as a punishment. I'm a professional vlogger, guys. Yay!
Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape.
Ito na naman tayo. School tour.
Itong clinic.
Ito, tsaka yung sa paala. Tara, train. Ikaw, sama ka na rin sa amin. Sama ka na sa training namin. Ipapakondisyon ka ng malala ni coach. Lalo na yung core mo. Diyos ko, dito yan.
Conditioning okay pa eh. Pagsayaw?
We can't. Sila pala to. Ow. Guys, wala na tayo dito next year. Hala! Sunkiss. Paano yung sunkiss nyo? So, ano?
Makaataw na yun.
Sunkiss mo. Hindi, sunkiss. Bro, I'm with Anjengalangangalang. Oh. We're here sa station namin. Yan na ba? Oh my God.
Yung unang
Yeah. Why are they not running? Huh? Why are they not running? Ba't tayo madali tayo nun?
Ano ba race? Hindi, wala pa silang ano eh.
Ay, orient pa sila. Orient sa yung mga yan. Saka na sila magtatatakbo. We're here. We have the strips ready. Wait lang, gusto kayo ipakita. Yes, the strips. Yes. Station 2. Anyway. We'll just go there. Like, I went to grade school for this. I will always go to grade school for food like this kasi there's nothing like this sa high school. So, ayun. So, over. Whoa. Bro. Ba?
You must vlog. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Bah. It's literally a whole restaurant here.